Hi everyone, I have already applied moisturizer. So for my base, I'm using this Pond's BB cream. I'll use my fingers to dab it all over my face. I'm using this Nykaa pink lipstick as an eyeshadow. I like to curl my eyelashes. You can see the difference. With the help of this Maybelline eyeliner, I'll create a small wing. Now I'm using this Maybelline mascara. This mascara provides a lot of volume. So I'll apply it from down to upwards motion. I'll keep applying till the time I'm satisfied with the volume, or you can say look. Okay, with the same lipstick, I am using it as a blush. I'll apply it on tip of my nose as well. It will give a natural look. I'll create an outline with this brown matte finish lipstick. This is from Maybelline. I'll just create an outline. And then using the same lipstick again on my lips as well. So I use the same lipstick for my eyes. I used it as a blush and as well as on my lips. Combing my hair, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I am done with my makeup and this is how I look. Now for my outfit, I'm wearing this white color anarkali. This anarkali suit, I bought it from Mumbai. This dupatta is really nice. This suit was just 1200 rupees. I was wearing this green color heels. This is from Code, I believe. Yeah, this is from Code. I wore this black color earrings. This bag is from Miragio. And yeah, this is my outfit. Now I'll show you the Devi Ma of my society. The Devi Ma idol is really pretty. She's really looking beautiful. And yes, that's it. Thank you for watching.